What is a grinding machine? A grinding machine uses an abrasive wheel for precision finishing and light material removal. CNC grinding delivers unmatched precision, surface finish, and repeatability for metal non-metal parts using computer-controlled abrasive wheels, critical for aerospace and automotive applications. This machine utilizes a rotating abrasive wheel and movable work table to precision grind flat surfaces, with a chuck securing the workpiece during operation. This cylindrical grinder shapes external surfaces using a rotating workpiece and precision grinding wheel, with a chuck securing the workpiece during operation, with key components including headstock, tailstock, and adjustable table. These grinders are widely utilized in CNC applications, where they are employed for the sharpening and fabrication of cutting tools, including end mills and drills. So, in which industries will grinding machines be applied? Automotive, crankshafts, gear teeth, brake parts. Aerospace, turbine blades, landing gear components. Medical, surgical tools, implants, tool manufacturing, and mills, reamers, inserts. Electronics, circuit board fixtures, connector profiles. If you need a grinding machine, please find us at WMTCNC.